Hey there, welcome back. I want to do more of like vlog style with this because I want to get into vlogging. I know I said that a lot, but I have a new goal in mind. I know I've talked about it a little bit in a few videos, and that's like minimalism. I'm like super set on decluttering all of my stuff. Like from now on, I want to live with just like the things that I need. And like, I'm not saying, okay, I've watched a lot of minimalist videos and everyone has their own version. So some people, like, they live on nothing. They can literally pack up their entire apartment or wherever they live in like one suitcase. Is that ever gonna be me? Maybe, but I don't think it is. I think where I am now is just like making me super stressed out and like giving me anxiety that I have all this stuff that I do not need. And I'm the type of person that does not like wasting things, and like the lifestyle that I'm living, I'm wasting so much stuff and it's not making me happy. I also just read The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying by Marie Kondo, and that did make me a little more aggressive with what I want to do. But again, like, just my version of minimalism might be someone else's version of just like hoarding. So everyone has their own kind of limits to it. It's something that I want to do. So I think over the next like, really just forever, it's something that never ends unless you want it to. But I am going to focus a little more on like decluttering and like cleaning. So I just wanted to forewarn you, you're going to see like future videos definitely relating to that. I think today I might as well just show you the before of everything. Now I have like done a few decluttering things in the past, but like I haven't fully, like I just finished the book and I'm feeling really motivated to do way more. So I'll take you through like the before, and then as we progress in videos you can kind of see the aftermarks too. So let's do a little tour. These are my PJs. Okay, so this is my bedroom. We'll just walk in the door. Really, like, I don't keep anything in my bedroom as far as like knickknacks. Like, my table are 2 storage bins, but there's nothing inside of them. I'm not like super ready to get rid of like wall stuff now, and like that's something I don't think I will get rid of, because I'm still like someone that I want to decorate. I still am someone that wants to decorate. Okay, so this is laundry. I need to get rid of that mirror super bad. It's like broken and I need to recycle it or something. This is all stuff I need to sell on Poshmark, so I will for sure be going through some of that. It's just so much stuff. It's hard to get done, especially in one day. I've been working for like months on it, and this is my closet. I need to, okay, look at this. Are you kidding me? Like, this bothers me so much. T-shirts, blankets, like there's like cheerleading stuff from high school. This specifically, I don't know, I don't really want to go into that box, but the box itself is just like, it kills me. There's the stuff inside of it. Okay. My dresser, actually I went through my dresser and did some like decluttering. Like, I have way too many workout shirts, you guys. I don't even want to, I have not, this is my sports bra and like bralette drawer. I don't need that. Okay. I don't know, I guess I'll just go through. These are just like tops. I don't need all those. These are shorts and leggings. I only have 2 pairs of shorts, so like I'm fine with that. These are like pajama shorts, and then I have 2 pairs of like running shorts. I could probably just go down to 1 because I don't like wearing running shorts. I just do that when like I'm at home and not in public and I can wear short shorts. And legging wise, I mean I only have, right now there's 1 pair in here. I know there's like 3 in the wash. I do use those a lot though. And then my denim, so like I have 3 pairs of light jeans, 3 pairs of black jeans, and then I have like 4 pairs of work pants. I probably could cut that down a tiny bit. One of the work pants can probably go. And this is, so much. Purses are down here. I have purses and belts and like big bags for traveling. And then I have all of my undies I need to go through, so I don't need this many. And then socks, I have way too many socks. I need to get rid of some. And then bras, I can definitely cut down on some of these suckers. I don't need all those. Clothing, I have it separated by like sweaters on this side and like short sleeves, and then a few tanks. Coats, I have way too many of those, and vests, I don't even wear vests. Sometimes. And then my dresses and skirts. So, yeah, I'm for sure doing a closet declutter, and I just forgot I forget there's anything under here, but I have sweatshirts in that little bin, and I never get into it because I literally forgot it was down there. So do I need that? Absolutely not. And then a few purse boxes, I can get rid of those. So Louis Vuittons, I do not use. I should sell those. This, like, are you kidding? This kills me. Pajamas, sweatpants, and then my leggings. Too many. And then a soccer ball. Like, what is that? Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that down now. Oh, it's Velcroed. Awesome. We'll tackle that later. And then a living room. This is all like shoes. I hate storing shoes. I cannot stand this. Like, I feel like I wish I only had 4 pairs of shoes. But I don't know why I can't. Oh, there's winter stuff. I need just to get rid of. There's those stupid things in here. This all needs taking care of. Jewelry. I hate my jewelry. I don't want it anymore. But do you see all this? Like, why do I have all this? And then all of these perfumes? No. More jewelry. Some magazines and books and like my workout shoes. I have 1 pair there that I always wear, and then I have like a few more pairs in here. Winter boots. I have swimsuits in there. This is a rug I need to put in the bathroom. I just got that. That's for a video of Chester, and that's for some Poshmark stuff I sold. I need to get rid of one of these foam rollers. It's going to be the pink one I'm getting rid of. I might just sell that because that's new. But I don't need to. And then I have a massager underneath of there. My living room. There is nothing in those 2 storage bins either. So nothing to go through in there. TV stand. I need to like, that shouldn't be there. Like, that's bothering me. And I don't use either of those. So those can be donated. And then I have my bathroom, which I need to like move my rugs around. I had a big, like, I loved my rug down here. It was really cute and like boho, but it was getting moldy because I wasn't actually a bathroom rug. Okay, makeup brushes, way too many, way too many. My makeup, I do not use all of that every day, so that needs, like, I need to clean that out and just stick to what I use. And then, I don't use like any of that over there. Hello. So look, like, who needs all of this? I don't use like even like 10% of it. Just need to figure out where to donate it to. And this is like my bathroom stuff, like feminine products. I have a lot in there, and like toilet paper, and then air fresheners. I don't need as big of a thing as that is, but it will do for now because I don't feel like buying anything. Oh, I didn't even show you. This is embarrassing. Okay, this is my cat room / storage room. So kitty litter, and then we have this whore. I'm really afraid of going back there because Chester, you know, grabbed a mouse out of it recently, so I'm thinking there might be more. And that will not be fun for me. It will be fun for Chester, but I'm terrified. But we will do it. We will do it. Just not happy about it. And then comes the junk room. Okay, this is my sister's old room. So this is all of my stuff. Like, you are seeing everything. Wow. Okay, in this room, oh, what do you have? More t-shirts. A onesie for, I don't need that. This is like literally just like brand new stuff that I have collected. So that can either, I need to do, you know, I'm going to do a giveaway for sure. At least like a few of them, because that's a good way to get rid of stuff to someone that actually could use it and isn't like hoarding all this stuff. Scarves. I don't even wear scarves. I have so many. I need to donate a ton of that. This is like a closet I don't even use. I have robes in here. Don't need them. There's robes on the ground. okay, it looks really messy also because I have bubble wrap on the ground because this is Chester's, like, you're not allowed in here room because Chester loves bubble wrap. So, like, I need bubble wrap to do packing and stuff for, like, makeup when I sell it on Poshmark and, like, do giveaways. But I probably can get rid of some of this because I get packing stuff in, like, packages anyways. And then I have a few, I don't know why I have 2 sweepers in here. I only use this one. See, there's just wasteful. And then I have shoes that I don't absolutely wear at all. So these can all be donated. Papers from, like, when I was in school. Some of this is from undergrad. These books I need to donate because those are from when I was, like, in middle school and high school. This is all makeup and I don't use it. So all of that needs to go. I need to find a place to, like, donate it. If you can give me any suggestions, that'd be awesome. I have more makeup brushes to get rid of. All of that is, like, stuff that can be donated. It's, like, brand new stuff. I have, that's a donation. This is to be recycled. Tell me why I have not done it. This is all to be recycled too. I have boxes I need to break down still, so, like, that will be a nice afternoon to tackle. I have no idea what is in there. I made that in 8th grade. I have this, like, Lily Pulitzer yard set in this room. A stand. I need to just sell. This is stuff I use, like, to pack up Poshmark stuff. So I know it looks bad, like, I'm okay with that, though, because it will, and I've, like, sold, like, 5 things just today, so I'll get rid of a lot of that. And then, like, bedding I need to get rid of, and there's more sheets in there, and I don't need that tea set, or, like, that kid sewing machine, or I don't even, like, and this is all stuff I have on Poshmark, so I think I'm gonna, like, donate some of it, that isn't selling, and then, like, redo my Poshmark at some point, so, yeah, that is, that's my life. Definitely leave me in the comments below if you want to see videos like that or, like, clean with me videos, just whatever. I have so much stuff I just want to do, especially when I'm preparing to get rid of stuff. So when I move, which will hopefully be by, like, August, once I get a job, and then I won't have, like, I can probably move in my car, you know what I mean? Less stuff makes me happy. And, like, the book that I read with the Tidying Up book, everything's like, keep what brings you joy and happiness and get rid of anything that sparks anything other than that. Like, whether it's just, like, contentment or stuff that makes you unhappy. Like, I was saying, like, the white box in my closet, like, it brings me a lot of just sadness and, like, really bad memories in it. So I need to get rid of that, and I need to get rid of, like, other things that just, like, don't make me happy. And all this stuff makes me not happy, and I know, like, once I get rid of it, I'm gonna feel a little less stressed and just, like, more relaxed. Like, my bedroom, like, itself, I don't have much in here, and it honestly helps me sleep. So I just want to do that with the rest of my place. Gotta do some Poshmark uploading now, so I'll let you see some of my process of, like, how I list stuff, and then I'll link my closet down below. Feel free to share your closets with other people in the comments. It's just an awesome way to get rid of stuff, and, like, I will list stuff, like, dirt cheap just to get rid of it. I will tell you, though, anything that has, like, $5 on it, I won't go lower than that, because if you go lower than $5, it's a fun little thing where Poshmark only gives you 5 cents. So at that point, I'm like, I'd rather just donate it to, like, a church, you know? Let's go.
I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it and did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? It's too late now, 'cause I'm growing old, but I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now?
Okay, I have to go to the gym and, like, you know, just do some life stuff and like actually converse with people today instead of a camera, although I really do feel like I'm talking with you guys. I will give you a warning. You are gonna see Anthony in upcoming videos, so like be on the lookout for that. That is my boyfriend. If any of you don't know who he is, which none of you do, so unless you're his mom and you're watching. Anyways, I will see you guys super soon. Bye!